Hi guys, remember God loves you. Anyways, somebody was saying that they were enjoying seeing all the little knickknacks that I get to sell on eBay. So I'm going to share those with you when I can and if I remember. This is a little guy that I had in my booth at the flea market. He has a little bunny. And it's from New Orleans, Japan. Never ever heard of it before. Next item that I got are these just tiny little salt and pepper shakers. They are very sturdy, very thick glass, and so are the tops. They're pretty solid metal. I was able to get them for $1. Try to show that to you, see if it'll focus. But I thought they were adorable. They'd be perfect in somebody's camper. I had a set of these Yellowstone shot glasses. I do really good with shot glasses too, of all things. They don't have any marking on them. I will have to take the paper off the bottom. And usually some goof off usually does a trick on those. Here's a little angel lidded dish. I also had this in my booth at the flea market too. And I got it taped together. People always disassemble things when you had it in the flea market. So I always try to tape if it's a two-piece together. Just playing a violin, looks like. There is a piece of tape on the bottom, so I don't know if there's any markings underneath it. It probably won't come off if I try to take it off either. Nope, I don't see any markings on the bottom. But it's made out of porcelain. It's in really good shape. I don't see any cracks or chips, which is very unusual when you leave things like this in your booth in a flea market. Some people are kind of rough with them. Then I got these really interesting sugar and creamer set. They're open. They were designed that way. Really modern flair to them. I love the little hook handle on the creamer. Very pretty. This color was very popular in the 70s. My mother loved stuff like this. Gonna reach back here and grab another item. I had this in the flea market too. It's just an old rusty little sifter. Still operates pretty well. People don't tend to use these for baking anymore, but they love to use them as decorations, and they just put flowers in them or just put them on top of their cabinets as decoration. And that is really fun too. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of those items today. Remember, God loves you, and have a great rest of the day.